All right, time to take a look at the UYECOVE half-inch drive 160 foot-pound torque wrench. So that's one of the things that this company always does right. They always give you a nice foam insert for it. Got a good weight to it, and this has the style of adjuster that I prefer. So I can just pull this guy back and then give it a spin. And we can see it does click into place. So that's how we know that we are actually right at that number. The numbers are nice and easy to read, so I really like seeing that. You can see here we have foot-pounds on this side, and if we spin it around, we have Newton meters on that side. And then on the dial, the ring on the bottom is the Newton meters, and the ring on the top is the foot-pounds. This is reversible. I always like seeing that. And it does have a quick release, so we can use that to drop sockets on and off very easily. And it looks like we do have a certificate, so we know that this thing has been inspected, which is very good. So it is calibrated, and at 32 foot-pounds, I got 32.03, 32.25, and 32.5. So that is a very close measurement. And at 96, we got 96.46, 96.51, and 96.76. At 160 foot-pounds, 161, 161, 161. So yeah, this is an incredibly accurate torque wrench. So I'm going to go with about 50 foot-pounds. So right there. All right. Okay. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice torque wrench.